could get used to it.
Hiccup, I know this must be really hard for you, seeing everyone with their dragons. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
No, Hiccup. No one was a better Viking than you today.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah? Yeah, I guess it does. We can't take a chance on anyone doing anything different, including us.
Did you seriously think I'd leave here with just a handshake?
Well, us. Deal?
Deal. You know what? I've had enough thinking to last me an entire week. I'm going to get some sleep. I know you do. We don't have to be like them. I mean, we have a different kind of...
As for the lovebirds... No.
See? I told you it was in here.
Still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you.
Chief Dash!